Welcome to the club. I'm here to share all the details on everything you need to know in order to enhance your Lashify experience. If you haven't applied your lashes yet or need to learn about your control kit, click the link down below in the description. First, we're going to talk about our prep and removal options. Pre-cleanse is our prep step. It is a Japanese cleansing water that can be used to prep your lashes, clean your lashes while you wear them, remove any eye makeup around the eye area, all while making sure that your lashes stay in place. Melt away is one of our removal options. To use it, you're going to shake the bottle to activate the product, shake it onto a cotton round, hold over the lid for about 30 seconds to allow that bond to break apart, and then the lashes should slide right off. Release is our other removal option. Release is great for on the go because of its portable tube. You can use this by brushing through the lash and allowing that bond to slowly break apart, and the lashes will gently slide off. The blow tool is the tool that you never knew you needed. It is perfect for speeding up drying times and application. The Precision Lash tool is a dual-ended comb. One side is great for brushing out the lash to create a nice fluffy, soft lash look, and the other side is really great for combing out any clumps of bond, any definition to the lash for a seamless look. The Lashicurl is our heated lash curler. It can be used to curl the lashes while you wear them. It can also be used to soften the curl of the lash while you wear them. It has 3 heat settings. You can use it to curl your lashes on eye or in the cartridge. Our Fuse Control Wand is the foundation of our entire Lashify system. It is ergonomically designed to wrap the curve of your eye, fit over the bridge of your nose and your cheekbone. This patented tool delivers a horizontal clamp force when squeezing down to ensure zero damage to the natural lash, but a perfect lash application. The Fuse Control Wand is available in our Classic Wand as well as our Petite Fuse Control Wand. This means that the Classic Wand has a really strong curve, so it's great for someone with a larger eye, protruding eye, deep set eye, almond eye. Petite Wand has a 10% reduced curve at the tip of the wand, which means that it's great for someone with a smaller eye, a monolid eye, or a flatter profile. Not sure which wand is right for you? Go with the Classic. Our Wandoms are silicone coverings for our Fuse Control Wand that offer a non-stick, cushiony fuse. Now let's talk about our bonds. When people are new to Lashify, the top 2 questions that we get asked is it going to damage the natural lash, and is it safe for sensitive eyes? With our Lashify bonds, they are all flexible, which means that they're never going to fully cure or harden while you're wearing our lashes, and that flexibility means zero damage to the natural lash. Our bonds are also free of any harsh chemicals. There's no cyanoacrylates, there's no formaldehyde, there's not even latex in the product, which means it's safe for all eyes. Not only is it safe for all eyes, but it is lab tested and ophthalmologist approved. Whisper Light is our traditional bond. It is available in the colors of clear and black. Whisper Light is great for beginners because it has a nice long drying time, so no need to rush when you're applying your lashes. Bondage contains Charcoflex, which is an ingredient that absorbs more moisture and oil than our Whisper Light. This means the product may be a great option for someone who has oily lids, watery eyes, lives in a humid climate. Bondage has a quicker drying time than our Whisper Light formula. Mrs. Bond has triple threat technology. This clear formula means that it has a strong hold, it's quick drying, and is self-sealing. Waterproof is one of our sealing options. It is designed to remove any excess stickiness or tackiness after application, and it creates a nice water-resistant shield on top of the lashes. Nightline is our other sealing option. It is a black lacquered sealer that acts as a piece of tape that seals in the lashes. Download our app, join us for live tutorials on Instagram and TikTok, and let me be the first to welcome you to the Lashify Life.